Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr at Kerr Financial Group, and today is Friday, August 2024. So let's got to talk about the U.S. stock market with the big sell-off yesterday, and let's talk about how maybe what's causing it, and look forward, but also just mention some things about managing risk. So first of all, the market sold off yesterday, and this has been going on a pattern for the last couple of weeks where you end up with a strong open and morning strength and afternoon sell-offs. And that's not typically good. Historically, that's a sign of institutional distribution. They're selling into the strength, and then it causes the overall markets to go down. Now, that's historical. That pattern would indicate distribution. But also, I think things have changed so much with institutions and traders and hedge funds in terms of using short dated options to hedge and to get exposure. And that's been the last couple of years. So I'm not certain that the old indicators and patterns still hold. But again, this has been something that's been going on where you see some morning, opening strength and then afternoon weakness and closing very poorly. So, that's one thing. I think this market is very fragile. There's just looks like a loss of momentum, and the negative dealer gamma, which I touched upon on Wednesday, and it's a large topic, but it's been causing, it typically causes the moves to accelerate whatever direction they start up, and it propels it higher, down, and it forces it lower. The situation of negative dealer gamma. So that's important. Then last night we had some bad news from Intel that are laying off 15,000 people, sizable, cut the dividend, and not good numbers. They're chip manufacturers, so that ends up being perhaps a canary in the coal mine for the technology and overall growth stocks. I've seen some other stocks again, like Microsoft. I think earlier in the week, had decent numbers. I mean, it's a terrific company, but because the growth slows and the rate of the growth slows, that's not a good sign, especially in a market that's so overvalued as the U.S. stock market is. I wanted to touch upon the unemployment data, but it's a lot to go through, and I'm going to push that out to Monday's video. There's some things I want to point out about the unemployment. It was a weak number today. That also is contributing to the sell-off as well. So I'll address those particulars on Monday. Have a good weekend. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.